Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm here at Celsius checking in on interest. So today or a couple days ago, I got some interest, and you can see here it's been building over time, compounding. The price of Ethereum is up to 41.77. This thing is going to the moon. It's going to double, going to 10,000. Now, Bitcoin was up to 66,000 something. Now it's back down to 65. Still breaking that important support level, and glass ceiling shattered through the previous high. So now it's going to go to 100,000 here pretty soon. If you guys want to get on the Bitcoin and Ethereum crypto, plus others that they have here, you can get 50 free dollars. Use this product code, download the app, open an account, and put $400 in. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.